Good luck, ladies.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see you guys in action.
Make that money.
All right, we will.
Where you gonna be serving? I'm going.
Okay.
I want some of those sexy wings.
Just like that too. I'm in shock.
The big question is, so what made you do a food trailer? What got you decided to do this? What made you happy and you're like, I gotta do this?
Well, we've been sitting on it for like a year. I just felt like it wasn't our time because nothing wasn't falling in place. And then we just started, and my boyfriend actually found you guys.
Okay.
And we just went, and everything just started
Kind of just lining up.
falling. So we felt like it was our time.
It was our time.
That's awesome.
We wanted to do an American, but with a Jamaican twist. So we came up with Jamerican.
Jamerican. So yes, so I'm bringing the Jamaican infusion. She also is very familiar with the Jamaican culture as well and the food. And then we also love American food, so we thought it would be the best way to infuse it and call it Jamaican cuisine.
I think cooking is both of our passions. I love food. I love cooking. I'm a foodie.
I cook with passion, and I've always been excited to see other people eat and enjoy my food.
Yeah.
So we've came together. Like, her favorite thing to cook is wings. I also love eating wings, and then I love cooking. One of our top dishes would be fish, snapper.
Yeah. All of our food is from scratch, and it's amazing, and it's made with love.
You're gonna make me cry.
Was Chef Joe good to work with? Frog family good to work with?
Yes. We appreciate all of y'all, and we thank y'all so much.
And when you first saw the trailer, like, what was going through your minds?
It was like
Surreal.
right?
We saw it in pictures, but to actually
touch it, it's like tangible. Yes, it's like, wow, this is us. This is what we wanted. This is what we've been working on, what we've been praying on, and it's actually here in our face. So it was surreal.
Isn't it nice?
You know, I'll be looking for you girls because I know you're gonna have fun doing this.
Oh, yes.
You know, and
Oh,
that's
yes.
the
We're gonna
the
have a
big
lot of
thing.
fun.
If they see you having fun, they can't but enjoy it. They
Right.
can. So have fun with it.
Thank
All right, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Joe.
Great working with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Check us out.
Sexy Wingz and Tingz.
Jamerican cuisine.
Hey. I know, this is beautiful.